Hello everyone. So today we will see some questions on profit and loss. So first we will see formulae. So for profit, the formula is profit equals to sales price minus cost price, and if this is loss, so loss equals to CP minus SP. Or if we are getting negative quantity in this formula SP minus CP, then this is also considered as loss. Now from these two formulae we can see profit percent and loss percent. So profit percent equals to selling price minus CP, this means profit, divided by CP into 100%. And for loss percent, formula is CP minus SP upon CP, always CP in divide, and this multiplied by 100%. So this is the formula for loss percent. Now we will see some questions. First question. So in first question, okay, so in this first question, an article is bought for 500 and sold for 600. What is profit percent? So this is the CP and this is the SP, and you need to find profit percent. So in this case you need to apply this formula. So profit percent equals to SP equals to 600 and CP equals to 500, and this quantity divided by CP. So CP equals to 500 and this multiplied by 100%. So this equals to 100 divided by 500. So this is 1 upon 5 and this equals to 20%. So the correct option is this, C. Now the next question, question number 2. If a shopkeeper sells an article for 450 rupees at a loss of 10%, what is its cost price? So this is the case of loss. So we will put formula for loss percent. So loss percent equals to CP minus SP upon CP into 100%. So your target is to find cost price. So L, loss percent is 10. So we can write 10, and objective is to find CP, and selling price is 450, and this quantity divided by CP and this multiplied by 100. So now you have to find CP. So we can write this as 10 CP equals to this CP this side, and this is multiplied by 100. So this is 100 CP minus 45000, and you can shift this quantity this side. So this is 45,000 divide equals to 100 CP minus 10 CP. So you can solve this equation as 45,000 equals to 90 CP. On solving this, on dividing this, you will get 500. So CP for this product is 500. Correct option is C. Now next, question number 3. A shopkeeper marks an article 25% above its cost price. So we can consider the cost price as 100 rupees CP. Now 25% above. So we can add 25%. This means 25. Now total price is 125. Now this is the marked price. Now gives it 10% discount. Again on this, the shopkeeper is giving 10% discount. So we will minus its 10%. So its 10% is 12.5. Now the final selling price is 112.5. Now what is his profit percent? Now this is the selling price and this is the cost price. So again you can apply formula. Profit percent equals to sales price 112.5 minus cost price is equal to 100 divided by CP. multiplied by 100. So on solving this, you will get 12.5%. So the correct option is this B. Now question number 4. If the cost price of 15 pence is equals to selling price of 12 pence. So CP of 15 pence. Okay. So 15 into CP is the price for 15 pence. Now is equals to the selling price of 12 pence. Find the gain or loss, gain percent. Now this equals to selling price of 12 pence. So one pence selling price is SP. So 12 pence, 12 into SP. One pen cost price is CP. So for 15, this is 15 into CP, and this is equal. So you can find CP. So CP equals to 12 upon 15 into SP, or you can write this as 4 upon 5 into SP. Now you need to find gain percent. So gain percent, या profit percent equals to SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. So in this case, SP is taken as SP, and now this SP in CP in terms of SP equals to 4 upon 5 SP, and this divided by CP. So CP again, this 4 upon 5 into SP. Now this is multiplied by 100%. So on solving this, you can cancel out this SP to SP after taking common, and on taking LCM of this in numerator term, you will get 1 upon 5, and denominator term you will get 4 upon 5. Now this multiplied by 100%. So this equals to 25%. So the correct option is this B. Now next, question number 5. A product is sold for rupees 960 at a profit of 20%. What would be the selling price if the desired profit were 30%? So in this case, you need to find first cost price. So selling price is 960, profit percent 20. So gain percent or profit percent equals to SP minus CP divided by CP into 100%. So SP equals to, okay, so gain percent equals to 20 and SP is 960, and you need to find CP divided by CP into 100. On solving this, 20 CP equals to 960 into CP, and we can multiply this with 100. So this is 9600 minus 100 CP. So you can take this 100 CP this side. So this 120 CP equals to 96,000. So CP equals to 96,000 divided by 120. So on solving this, the price is 800 rupees. So this is the cost price. Now profit percent is 30%. Then you need to find new selling price. So 800 is the cost price. Now 30% of cost price is added to find final sales price. So this is 240, 30% of 800. Now total price is 1040. So the selling price is option B. Now the next question number 6. A person bought an article and sold it for 720, gaining 20%. Find the profit. So simply we can, and this is the total selling price. Selling price is equal to 720 including 20% profit. So we can find first cost price by dividing this total 720 with 100% of cost price plus 20% profit. So total value is 120%. This 720 considered as 120%. So on dividing this equals to 6. So this is 1%. 1% equals to 6. Now 100% means 100% cost price. So this equals to 6 into 100. So this 6 into 100 is the cost price of the product, 600. Now SP equals to 720, or we can write this as CP. So the profit equals to SP minus CP. So this SP equals to 720 and CP equals to 600. So the profit is rupees 120. So the correct option is this B. Now the next question number 7. The profit earned by selling an article for 650 is the same as loss incurred by selling it for 420. What should be the selling price to gain 25%? So first we need to find cost price. So suppose this is the cost price. Equal profit equal loss. So CP plus X, selling price is 50, and CP minus X, the selling price is 420. So there is gap of 2x and there is gap of 1 to 30. So this 2x equals to 230. So this 2x equals to 230. So this x is equal to 115. So this means if you subtract this 115 means x, then you can find CP. So CP equals to 650. This is the selling price and profit is 115, which is x. So the price of this is 535. This is the CP. Now we need to find selling price to gain 25%. So 25% of CP is added to find selling price. So selling price is the CP plus its 25%. So CP equals to 535 plus 25% of the CP. This means 535 is added, then you will get 668.75. So the correct option is this option B. Now the next question, question number 8. Two items A and B are sold at a profit of 20% and loss at 10% respectively. If the selling price of both item is the same, find the ratio of their cost price. So first we are talking about first product. First product is A and second product is B. Now selling price is same for both. Now for first, cost price is considered as CP1 and for second this is considered as CP2. Now first 20% profit on A, 20% profit. So the formula is 20% gain equals to SP minus CP. So SP is same minus CP, CP1, and this divided by CP1 multiplied by 100. This is the formula for gain percent. And for loss percent 10 equals to CP2 minus SP divided by CP2 multiplied by 100. So we will put values in this. So SP, SP is fixed but CP is not fixed, so we need to find CP. So from this first equation, we can shift this CP with this, so this equation become 20 CP1, and we can write this 100 downside, and this equals to SP minus CP1. And on solving, you can write this as 0.2, so this is considered as 0.2 of CP1 equals to SP minus CP1. On solving this, this SP equals to for this first equation, SP equals to this 1.2 CP1. And now we will do the same task for second equation. So for second equation, on solving this, CP2 10 upon 100, and this equals to CP2 minus SP. So on solving this equation, SP equals to this, SP equals to, we can write this 0.1 this side, so this become 0.9 CP2. So now we can equate both the equation, this SP and SP. So on equating this, we will get 1.2 CP1 equals to 0.9 CP2. So the ratio of CP1 and CP2 we can write here. So CP1 ratio CP2, we can shift this side. So this equals to 0.9 upon 1.2, and on finding ratio you will get 3 upon 4, so you can write this as 3:4. So the correct option is this option B. Now next question, question number 10. A milkman mixes 5 liter of water with 20 liter of milk. So 5 liter of water and 20 liter of milk. If the cost price is 28 rupees per liter, so what is the profit percent when he sells the mixture at cost price of milk? So price for this combination is 20 into 28 rupees per liter. So total cost price for this is CP cost price is equal to 560. Now this total quantity is 25 liter. Now CP SP equals to again same cost of milk. So again this is 28 rupees per liter. Now total sales 25 liter. So total selling price is equal to 28 into 25. So this equals to 700. So this is the complete selling price. This is the complete cost price, total cost price. So now we need to find profit percent. So gain percent or profit percent equals to sales price 700 minus cost price divided by cost price 560 and multiplied by 100%. So on solving this, this is 140 upon 560 multiplied by 100, then you will get 25% profit. So the correct option is this B.